Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are good and fine. Today we are finalizing our project, which is sales inventory system. In last couple of video we have create login forms, registration form, and all the stuff. So here in this we combine all these forms together into a single form and navigate them. So show the navigation relation between the forms. So first we have to design all the forms. Here you can see that I'm creating, I just pick a panel from the toolbox and then label and 3 buttons. So I'll show you later what is the main purpose of this. So here for label we are just creating a main form which is connected to all the other forms. So from this form to other form we're creating a relation between, and we code already in product, sales, and all the registration login form. So just design your form and click. If you want to change the properties of form, you just click on the form and just go to the properties of the form and pick the color from the properties, and also give the color and name. You can change the text, you can change the name above on the bar, and you can also hide this minimum and maximum button also in this. So here we have 3 buttons and we are giving the name to these 3 buttons: product, sales, and the last one is to exit. Okay, this is the stuff to do on this form. And here just we just code of a single line in each button. What is that? Where to go from? When clicking on product button, we go to the product page. On clicking on sales button, go to the sales form, and exit means that your system is closed now. So this is for our, and how we can reach on this through login form. When we log in, here is the login form, and I'll teach you the design of this login form. How you log in: you create a login table in the database, and just there is 2 registration form in the database, and you just pick from the registration form these fields. One is username, the other is password. Just pass these fields, these fields to the text, to compare the text data of the form. So when your data is when your data is matched, it means that you are registered in that particular table, and you can access the access the rights to go into the next step. So here we have some and there is some function methods and key events which you have to know, and we can discuss this about it later. So here I just code the that is if when it is logged, so where it go? It go to the for F5, which is the main form. I'm not giving right now the name of the main form, and just give the form because but when you have a lot of form, then you create the form with their names. It's easy to do. And now just I have 5 forms, so I have no issue to manage it. So 5 form is related all about related to the registration main form. So when we log in, then we go to the main form, and there is also a just to go to the main form. And on main form we have 3 buttons: product, sales, and all this. So on that, here I have a missing thing, which is if when we come to the product form, then we have to go back to the main form. So for that purpose, I just take a button from the toolbox and just change its name and properties. So go to the properties and change its text color, and now I code just only this, that if I if create a form object of the form, look, create the object of form, how to you can move from, and just create and show that object and hide current form. So this is the short code for the creating all. Okay, let's. Here are form is registration form, login form, product sales form is almost completed. Just we check. First of all, we enter some random data and login. I have facing so many issues when I'm rendering this, so it gave me so much error. Now further we are just checking it and changes this properties and colors and so, and look, once you have update, delete, create, you learn the basic concepts, you can move you can do all kind of, because all this is related to the insert updates and the nothing more than then when you are talking on login form, registration form and all this. So here we have already done with all our stuff, and we are just focusing and see we what we have to do when we are click on the login. When login button is when we log in, then what happen, we go to the form, main form, so and hide the current form. Okay, now just to do practice with this, and I hope they you once you do your efforts best, then you get your rewards also. So I now just I check it and give the colors, give the beautiful colors to my forms, and so look and change some. It's just like a play, and you can when you once you are start to do, you really enjoy to do it. So here is the sales inventory system, and I hope you learn a lot, and in next video we discuss about more about the C sharp and know about the window forms. So be connected with us, and subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. And it's a big appreciation, it's a good very much energy when you say that